Hello guys, back with another video. I haven't been posting for a while because I do not want to post, but I'm gonna post right now. And you hear my voice? Yeah, you hear my voice. I'm playing Don't Press the Button. I can't move. Why can't I not move? Why can't I move? Why can't I move? Why can't I move? Good around here. Okay, I'm lagging. I'm spinning like a tornado. Okay, I'm dead. But I can move though. Nope, I still cannot move. Why can't I move, man? There's something. Did I do something, man? Did I do something? Done. Oh, I'm walking. Or am I just lagging or something? Fuck! I am having a slight problem here with this video. I am not moving. I am dying. Bruh, move. It's just zooming out. Move.